Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today, I've got the Jeep JL on the hoist. I want to show you a cool product offering from MBRP. We've all seen this muffler at the back of the Jeep JL. It's big, it's heavy, it hangs way too low. It's got this crimped front pipe that impedes exhaust flow, and we've got this ugly tailpipe hanging out the passenger side of the Jeep. This has got to go. Let me show you what we have to offer from MBRP. So I think this is such a cool, neat little piece. We're gonna keep the full cat back. We're gonna keep the exhaust system all the way back to where the stock muffler bolted up. We're gonna get this mandrel-bent stainless steel pipe. You're gonna get the band clamp, and of course we're gonna utilize the factory rubber hanger. So this is the MBRP muffler bypass for the JL. Direct bolt-on, ease of installation, low cost, and such a cool little sound. This one's all done. Let's get it on the ground, take it for a rip. Let's get the JL out on the highway, see what this baby sounds like. Nice mellow acceleration like we always do. I can definitely hear this. You know what? We talk about exhaust notes usually on this part of the drive, and I'm gonna say it's moderate to aggressive and just bordering on aggressive, but only when we're going through the gears. Now I've got some miles in this vehicle now, and the most aggressive tone that you get is right now while we're going through the gears. You can see, you know what, we're up in the highway speed. We're at the 74, 75 mile an hour range. Once this locks up there, you know what, we're looking for top gear, it's locked up. It gets to mellow actually now. And I would say, you know what, you can have a conversation with your family, your friends inside here. There, we're just locked up. The exhaust note is mellow. Like in most Jeeps, you have more wind noise now than you do exhaust note. So I think we get the best of both worlds, where if we're out wheeling and we're playing around with our friends, we want to hear it. You put your foot into it, you're going to hear it. But you get on the highway and you decide to put some miles down on this. It's pretty cool that it's not in your head, and it's not something you're going to get tired of miles after mile. So speaking of hearing it, let's spin around here. We'll put our foot into it, wide open throttle, let you guys hear it. We're up to highway speed again. You know what? Sounds so good in acceleration. You're going to turn some heads, guaranteed, with your JL. But like I said before, you're not going to get tired of driving it day in and day out. So there you have it. It's part number 5527409. So that's only available in stainless steel. Make sure you check it out at MBRP.com.